Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to your John Hancock 401k plan. This is truly a powerful way to save for your retirement, offering incredible tax benefits as your money grows over time. Taking a few moments to understand how it works can really set you up for long-term financial success. We're here to guide you through the basics, making it simple and clear. Let's get started on maximizing your savings potential today. Your first step is to visit the official John Hancock retirement website, easy to find with a quick search. You'll need your username and password to log in securely to your personal account. If this is your very first time, don't worry, you can easily register by following the prompts on the screen. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account dashboard, giving you a clear overview of your current savings. After logging in, head over to the investment section of your dashboard. This is where you can view your current portfolio, along with all the available investment choices for your plan. John Hancock offers a variety of funds, so take some time to explore them. Consider your personal risk tolerance and your long-term retirement goals when making your selections. It's important to choose options that align with your future plans. You have the flexibility to adjust your contribution percentage whenever you like. Even increasing it by just 1 or 2% can make a huge difference in your savings over the years. Also, it's really important to regularly review and update your beneficiary information. This ensures your savings go to the right people should anything unexpected happen. Keeping these details current gives you peace of mind. To truly maximize your John Hancock 401k, make it a habit to regularly review your account. As your life circumstances change, so might your investment strategy. Don't hesitate to seek professional financial advice if you need personalized guidance for your unique situation. Your 401k is a powerful asset for building a secure financial future, and staying engaged will help it grow effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.